Welcome to the ultimate guide to building your 2024 side hustle. In today's fast-paced economy, having a side hustle has become more than just a trend. It's a strategic move to optimize your income streams and secure financial stability. Whether you're looking to pursue a passion project, increase your savings, or diversify your skill set, a side hustle can be the key to unlocking new opportunities and achieving your goals. In a world where traditional employment may not always provide the financial security we desire, side hustles offer a way to take control of our financial future. By creating multiple streams of income, we can better weather economic uncertainties and build a more resilient financial foundation. Additionally, side hustles can provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose outside of our primary job, leading to increased overall satisfaction and well-being. The connection between productivity, personal growth, and entrepreneurship is a crucial factor in the success of a side hustle. By dedicating time and effort to developing our skills and pursuing our passions, we not only enhance our earning potential but also cultivate a sense of self-improvement and accomplishment. Side hustles can serve as a platform for personal growth, allowing us to challenge ourselves, learn new things, and expand our horizons. In this guide, we promise to provide you with actionable advice to enhance your time management skills and maximize your financial gains. From practical tips on setting goals and prioritizing tasks to strategies for increasing efficiency and profitability, we're here to help you make the most of your side hustle journey. Get ready to take your side hustle to the next level in 2024. Be sure to like and subscribe to affiliate Monarchs for more content. Setting your side hustle goals. When it comes to building a successful side hustle, setting clear and achievable goals is essential for guiding your efforts and measuring your progress. By defining your objectives up front, you can stay focused, motivated, and on track to reach your desired outcomes. Let's dive into some guidelines to help you establish effective goals for your side hustle ventures. First and foremost, it's crucial to follow the SMART criteria when setting your goals. Make sure they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals provide clarity on what you want to achieve, measurable goals allow you to track your progress, attainable goals are realistic and within reach, relevant goals align with your overall vision, and time-bound goals have a deadline for completion. To enhance your goal-setting process, consider breaking down your long-term objectives into smaller, manageable milestones. This approach not only makes your goals more achievable but also provides you with incremental wins along the way, boosting your motivation and momentum. Celebrating these smaller victories can keep you inspired and engaged in your side hustle journey. Furthermore, aligning your side hustle goals with your personal values and interests is key to sustaining your motivation over the long term. When your goals resonate with what truly matters to you, you'll find greater fulfillment and purpose in pursuing them. Whether it's pursuing a passion, gaining financial independence, or making a positive impact, connecting your goals to your values can fuel your drive and commitment to succeed. By incorporating these strategies into your goal-setting process, you'll be better equipped to define meaningful and achievable goals for your side hustle ventures. Stay focused, stay motivated, and watch your side hustle thrive. Productivity hacks for side hustlers. Managing a side hustle alongside other commitments can be challenging, but with the right productivity hacks, you can make the most of your time and resources to drive your side hustle forward. Let's explore some practical tips and strategies to boost your productivity and efficiency while juggling multiple responsibilities. One effective technique to enhance productivity is time blocking, where you allocate dedicated blocks of time for specific tasks related to your side hustle. By creating a schedule that outlines when you'll work on different aspects of your venture, you can minimize distractions and stay focused on the task at hand. Time blocking helps you make the most of your limited time and ensures that you make progress consistently. Prioritizing tasks is another key strategy for maximizing productivity as a side hustler. Identify the most important and urgent tasks that will move the needle forward in your side hustle journey and focus on completing them first. By tackling high-priority tasks efficiently, you can make significant strides towards your goals and prevent less critical tasks from derailing your progress. Incorporating productivity tools and apps into your workflow can also streamline your processes and boost your efficiency. From project management tools that help you track tasks and deadlines to communication apps that facilitate collaboration with team members or clients, leveraging technology can simplify complex tasks and free up more time for productive work. By implementing these productivity hacks into your side hustle routine, you can optimize your time, energy, and resources to achieve greater results and success in your entrepreneurial endeavors. Stay organized, stay focused, and watch your side hustle thrive. Building your brand and audience. Establishing a strong brand presence and cultivating a loyal audience are essential components of growing a successful side hustle. By creating a recognizable brand identity and engaging with your audience authentically, you can attract and retain customers while building a community of supporters. Let's explore some guidelines to help you elevate your brand and connect with your audience effectively. Consistent branding is key to creating a cohesive and memorable identity for your side hustle. Ensure that your brand elements, such as your logo, color palette, and messaging, are consistent across all platforms, including your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials. Consistency helps reinforce your brand image and makes it easier for your audience to recognize and remember your business. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building relationships and fostering loyalty. Create valuable and relevant content that resonates with your target audience, whether it's through blog posts, videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Encourage interaction by responding to comments, messages, and feedback, and actively participate in conversations within your community. Networking with like-minded individuals and collaborating with influencers can also help expand your reach and attract new followers. Authenticity and transparency are key pillars of building trust with your audience. Be genuine in your interactions, share your story and values openly, and showcase the human side of your brand. Transparency in your business practices, such as pricing, policies, and customer service, can instill confidence in your audience and strengthen their loyalty to your brand. By following these guidelines and focusing on building a strong brand presence and nurturing your audience, you can create a thriving community around your side hustle and set the stage for long-term success. Stay true to your brand, engage authentically with your audience, and watch your brand and audience grow. Are you enjoying this educational content? Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Diversifying income streams. In the realm of side hustles, diversifying your income streams can be a game changer in boosting your financial stability and expanding your earning potential. By exploring various revenue streams beyond your primary source of income, you can create a more resilient business model and unlock new opportunities for growth. Let's delve into different ways to diversify your income within the context of your side hustle. One popular avenue for diversifying income is through affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Partnering with relevant brands and incorporating affiliate links into your content can generate passive income streams and broaden your revenue sources. Another option is to create and sell online courses or digital products related to your expertise or niche. Sharing your knowledge and skills through educational content can not only generate additional income but also position you as an authority in your field and attract a loyal following of learners. Freelance services offer another opportunity to diversify your income by leveraging your skills and expertise to provide services on a project basis. Whether it's graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance, freelancing can supplement your side hustle earnings and offer flexibility in managing your workload. The benefits of diversifying income streams extend beyond financial gains. By spreading your revenue sources across multiple channels, you can reduce the risk of relying solely on one source of income and create a more stable and sustainable business model. Diversification also opens up avenues for scaling your business and increasing your overall income potential over time. As you explore different income streams for your side hustle, remember to experiment, adapt, and iterate to find the most suitable options for your unique business. Embrace new opportunities, test different strategies, and stay open to evolving your income streams to maximize your earning potential and achieve long-term success. Financial management tips. Effectively managing your finances is crucial for supporting and growing your side hustle. By implementing sound financial practices, you can track your income and expenses, plan for taxes and savings, and ensure the long-term financial health of your business. Let's explore some key guidelines to help you navigate the financial aspects of your side hustle successfully. One essential step in managing your side hustle finances is to create a separate bank account dedicated to your business earnings and expenses. Keeping your personal and business finances separate not only simplifies accounting and tax reporting but also allows you to track your business's financial performance accurately. This separation can provide clarity on your revenue streams, expenses, and profitability, enabling you to make informed decisions about your business. Setting aside a portion of your side hustle earnings for taxes, savings, and reinvestment is another critical aspect of financial management. Taxes can often be overlooked by side hustlers, so it's important to proactively save a percentage of your income to cover tax obligations. Additionally, allocating funds for savings can help you build a financial cushion for emergencies or future investments, while reinvesting profits back into your side hustle can fuel growth and expansion. Budgeting and monitoring cash flow are fundamental practices for maintaining financial stability and fostering growth in your side hustle. Creating a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and financial goals can help you manage your cash flow effectively and make informed financial decisions. Regularly reviewing your financial statements, tracking your expenses, and analyzing your revenue streams can provide insights into your business's financial performance and areas for improvement. By following these financial management tips and incorporating them into your side hustle strategy, you can establish a solid financial foundation, support your business's growth, and pave the way for long-term success. Stay organized, stay proactive, and watch your side hustle thrive financially. As we wrap up this ultimate guide to building your 2024 side hustle, it's essential to reflect on the key points discussed and take actionable steps towards realizing your side hustle dreams. Side hustles play a vital role in optimizing income streams, fostering personal growth, and creating opportunities for financial stability and fulfillment in today's economy. To kickstart your side hustle journey, remember to set clear and achievable goals that align with your vision and values. Boost your productivity by implementing time blocking techniques, prioritizing tasks, and leveraging productivity tools to maximize efficiency and progress. Building a strong brand presence and engaging with your audience authentically can help you attract loyal customers and supporters to your side hustle venture. Diversifying your income streams through avenues like affiliate marketing, online courses, freelance services, and product sales can expand your earning potential and reduce risk in your business. Effective financial management, including creating a separate bank account, saving for taxes and reinvestment, and budgeting for financial stability, is crucial for sustaining and growing your side hustle over time. I encourage you to take action today by subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing this video, and exploring more content for continued support and guidance on your side hustle journey. Remember, success in your side hustle is within reach when you combine passion, dedication, and strategic planning. Start building your 2024 side hustle now and watch your entrepreneurial aspirations come to life.